What up? I'm Melissa Fortune, I'm Created by Fortune, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to take you through my most recent purchases from Gucci. So the first item is a Gucci Jackie 1961 mini bag. It costs $2,700. Is it? Sorry, the price shocked me for a second. I actually didn't make this purchase. This bag was a gift from my baby brother, and it's much appreciated. This style of bag is an archival design that was brought back in fall winter 2020. It says Jackie. I'm assuming it was named after Jackie Kennedy. I'm gonna give you the info from the website. We have the beige ebony GG Supreme monogram with the brown leather trim, green and red web detail, gold tone hardware, microfiber lining inside with a suede-like finish. It has one interior pocket on the inside. This style is sold with an additional shoulder strap, which can be attached to the bag with a buckle closure. It took me a second to realize how to add the strap. I was like, where are the side buckles? By itself, the handle is 7 inches. When you add the strap, you can get a total of 22 inches in length. It has what is called a piston closure. The bag fits an iPod Pro, AirPods, small wallet, and lipstick. It's made in Italy. The width is 7.5 inches. Height is 5.1 inches. The depth is 1.2 inches. I have an upcoming trip and I do plan on using this bag. When I do use it, I'm only gonna be carrying my phone, my headphones, a credit card ID, a little bit of cash, and my DJI, and that's it. So let's see if all of the things can fit in here. My DJI probably won't fit. The phone does. My headphones do, cash and card. Let me see if I can fit in my DJI. Let's take this out. My DJI could fit without the case or the cover, but I would not carry it without the cover. If I was gonna carry my DJI, it would fit like that. Let's see. The piston can't close, but that's okay because usually when I'm walking around, I usually always have my phone in my hand or my DJI in my hand, so I'll figure it out. Sometimes if I don't want to deal with the hassle of carrying the DJI, I just record on my phone and don't bring it with me. So the next item that I have is a women's slide sandal with Gucci script. Okay, it says, inspired by the summer spirit in beach clubs on the Italian coast. This item is a part of the Gucci Lido. Denim, a cult fabric, continues to be reimagined through the Gucci lens. Crafted from the light blue denim, pair of slide sandals is defined by an embroidered Gucci script and stripe details. So we just have a flat sole. We have this embroidered raised detail here, the stripe detail along the edge of the trim. These shoes are surprisingly really comfortable. I was worried about these initially because I have wide feet, but these fit my feet perfectly fine. I love the detailing on top, and it's denim. It goes with everything. And these cost $740. What I love about Gucci products, especially coming from a design perspective, is the products are always on point and the quality is always impeccable. Any Gucci item that I have has lasted 4 years. Not that I have a lot, because I don't, but the items that I purchased in the past, they last a really long time. If you follow me on Instagram, which if you're not, you should be, you would have seen that I recently went on a short little trip with Pink Magazine. It was incredible. We went to Mexico. I brought these with me. They were my first time wearing them, and I literally could wear them with anything I packed in my bag. These, for me, were a great purchase. Here is the canvas duster bag that it comes with. I got 2, 1 for each shoe. Last but not least, we have the women's sandals with crystals. Again, each shoe comes with its own canvas duster bag. And here she is. Definitely giving dad sandal vibes. Initially, this wasn't the pair of shoes that I was gonna go with, but the ones I wanted were sold out. So I decided to get this pair. Let me tell you, they are super, super comfortable. I haven't really worn them out, but just from wearing them in the house, I already know that these are gonna be a hit. These are coming with me on my next trip. I leave in a few days for a cruise that is going to Turkey, Italy, and Greece. So these will definitely be packed in my bag. I love the monogram print on the back. It's just a little special, cute detail. These shoes made me realize I'm back in my gemstone, rhinestone era. Okay, so these shoes are crafted in leather. They have the double G logo adorned with light gold tone hardware and stones. The interior is leather lined. And then we have Velcro at the straps. Both sandals for me are giving rich auntie vibes, and I'm not mad. I'm in my soft life, rich auntie era, and I hope that's what I'm exuding. Well, that is all, folks. I hope you enjoyed this quick little short video. If I didn't say before, I got a size 8 in both shoes, and they fit perfectly. I typically wear a 7.5, but I do have wide feet, so I always go up to an 8, unless it's like sneakers. Don't forget that Gucci also takes Affirm if you prefer not to pay all at once and you want to take that payment and break it down into monthly payments. attachments, you should look into that. I've used it before and I love Affirm. Love. If you haven't already, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel, and then hit that notification bell. That way you get a notification anytime I drop a new video. And with that, I'll see you in the next one. Peace.